How to fix Snapchat not working with Bluetooth headphones. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. So one of the main reasons you are facing that problem might be because you are not giving Snapchat your sound access. Let's go ahead and fix it. Head over to your settings. Here, scroll below onto apps and search for Snapchat. At this page, tap onto permissions and then tap onto microphone and make sure that you have toggled on for allow. Once you do all that, you can also clear the cache. Tap onto storage and clear cache. Now come back. Now let's go ahead and check our Bluetooth as well. And here, make sure that you have turned on your Bluetooth and all the devices that you see are valid and nearby. Once you do all that, this will definitely fix your Bluetooth not connecting problem in your Snapchat account.